Hello.
What is your name?
Byron Geshu.
Which school are you?
Eaglet Education Center.
Leo tumekuwa tukiperform games za chess huku Busia. Umepata experience gani leo kwa games za chess?
But it was difficult.
It was difficult. You have become number
2.
Number 2. With how many points?
5.
With 5 points. So it means you have qualified for the nationals.
Yes.
So how do you feel?
But
You are feeling good? Wow. So unaweza mami na dadi haje?
But I've qualified to nationals.
You have qualified for the national. So you are proud to yourself.
Yes.
Umequalify na nani?
Mimo, Ella and Benson.
Wow, very nice, very nice. So wacha tupate Mimo. Where is Mimo? Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Sibyl Mairi.
Which school are you?
Eaglet Education Center.
Umekuwa namba ngapi today's chess quarter finals?
1.
Yes?
1.
You have become number 1. Wow, with how many points?
6.
6 points. Meaning you have qualified, fully qualified to the finals.
Yes.
Tunaenda finals wapi?
Nairobi.
How do you feel to be number 1?
I feel happy.
You feel happy, extremely happy. And how will you tell the daddy and mommy?
Thank you for supporting me. I'm going for finals.
Wow. And how will you tell wale wanafunzi hawajapita vizuri na wenye wameanguka hawaja qualify kwenda finals?
They pull up their socks.
Wow, wow, wow. Na tumesema which school is this?
Eaglet Education Center.